Wow, guys, look at how long my hair has gotten. I'm like Rapunzel. Whee! No, it's a joke. I just barely started taking Hairfinity, and I'm not really sure if it's working or not. But if you are breaking out, guys, you're going to want to stay tuned and listen to my puppet master. Because she knows what is causing the breakouts, and she will tell you how to immediately stop the breakouts and to continue taking the hair supplement without the junk on your face. Here you go. Hi, so I started taking this product probably about 2 weeks ago called Hairfinity, and it has like biotin and all kinds of vitamins in it. What else does it have? It has vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, B12, calcium, and then it has MSM, hydrolyzed collagen, horsetail. So I've had really, really bad acne my entire life, and so it took me like half a lifetime to understand what the things that make it worse are, unfortunately. But as soon as like a week into this product, I started having major breakouts, and let me show you why. I figured it out. See, a lot of these supplements that you take have that hard shell. I'm not really sure what it's made out of, but I really don't think that a body digests this very easily. So what I did is they have like the two, it's like a slit and two sides where you can pull it apart and put it in your drink and then just put that shell part in the garbage. This is what's causing your breakouts, guys. On the company's website, it says that some people are sensitive to biotin, and that's what's causing the breakouts, and they should drink tons and tons and tons of water. And that, I don't know if I agree with that, because as soon as I got rid of this shell part, my zits are going away. So, just wanted to share that with you because I've had a lifetime of hell with acne so bad that I couldn't leave the house. As little as possible, I'd leave the house because I was so insecure because it was like pizza face all the time. And I've finally got at a point to my life where my skin is clear, so I had to share that. I don't know if these are working for hair growth yet, but I'm going to continue to take them and see. Have a great day. Thanks. Good luck. Still drink tons of water while taking the supplement though, guys, because that will help get better results. My puppet master drinks tons and tons of water, and she was still getting the breakouts. So that's why she had to address this issue about those capsules causing acne. But drinking tons of water and eating good while taking these supplements is still good for your success. Take care.